Okay, good morning, boys and girls. Today is Thursday, and now I'm going to tell you today's homework, okay? Okay, wait, the music's so loud. I'll just turn it off. Alright, so today your homework will be, let me see. Hello? Okay, hello. Okay, today your homework will be workbook page 21 and 22. If you don't have workbook, then do it on a paper or notebook. You just need to rewrite on workbook later. What does that mean? It means some of you were telling me that you didn't bring your workbook home, right? So if you don't have it, then do it on a paper, or if you have English book at home or any notebook, it is okay. You just need to write down the answer, and then after you come back to the school after May 31, right? So you can finish it, okay? And it's easier and you can save a lot of time. 老师再说一次哦，这是今天的作业，第3个作业 ，Workbook page 21 to 22. Alright. 如果你没有习作，你可以写在你的白纸上啊，或是笔记本、英语簿都可以。你有旧的英语簿当然也可以最好，这样你也不需要另外准备了。然后你只需要在上面写下答案，所以等到你来到学校，如果你是没有习作的嘛，你来到学校，你就再把它重新抄到这个英习上面，那很快就可以把这件事情做完了，你可以省下很多的时间 ，alright？ 当然你有习作的同学，你就可以直接做。至于这个习作的页面呢 ，I will show you later, OK？ 等一下会给你们看的 ，alright？ So after this is your homework, then we are going to start our class today. I told you yesterday, right? Yesterday I told you we are going to do the review too, but I forgot that we haven't finished this, right? The listening of workbook. So today I'm going to let you practice listen, choose, and write the listening practice, alright? So if you don't have any questions, if you have the workbook, then you should take it out, alright? You can press pause button and just, get your workbook. And if you don't have workbook, you can just prepare a paper with you, and then you can do it, alright? 老师说一次哦，你的英习如果有带的同学有在家里，你就直接拿出来 ，turn to page 19 and 20, alright? 19、20页。那如果你是没有带习作的同学呢，你拿一张白纸、笔记本都可以，你把答案写下来，到时候来学校，你就可以把这件事情做完了。For example, this is page 19 and 20, like this. Okay, not this. You can just say like, okay, page 19 and then part A, like me. You can write it down. 如果你是用那个笔记本白纸的同学，你就直接在上面写 page 19 A， 那就是 A 大题了嘛。那这样很简单，对不对 ？A 大题 ，and then let's take a look. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. So part A, part B, part C. We have four questions. So we can do like this. Okay, it's too big. Okay, this one. Alright, so part A, 1, sorry, or we can do this, 2, 3, 4, right? And part B, 1, 2, 3, 4. So if you want to write down the answer, then you just, for example, this one. Part A, number 1, Judy was at the, let's listen.
Number 1. Judy was at the museum yesterday.
Judy was at the museum.
Judy was at the museum yesterday.
Judy was at the museum yesterday, right? So it should be E, right? The first one is just an example. 老师举个例子。只有第一题会写其他你要自己来。Okay, like this. Then you're finished, right? 你这样第一题就结束了嘛？你的那个习作如果有带的同学，你直接写在习作上，这样就没有任何问题了。来学校老师会在你们收过来，老师会帮你们改。那没有带的同学不要着急，你还是可以练习，不要浪费掉这个宝贵的时间。你把它都写好了，在白纸上，等到你带到学校，你只要把它抄上去，不用2分钟就抄完了，对不对？时间是可以省下很多时间的，你就不用再重听啊这些。Okay, so everybody, if you don't have any question, we are going to do it. Alright, I will wait for you. 老师会等你们，待会我会放，那我放的同时，我会给同学看这个页面，因为我知道有些同学看不见这个音习的每个部分嘛，所以我会特别放给你们看。Alright, so ready? Part A. Let's take a look. There's a picture. The item A is post office. Item B is theater. Part C, is item C. Item C is train station. Item D, restaurant, and then E, museum. Okay. So if you don't have any questions, ready?
Number 1. Judy was at the museum yesterday. Judy was at the museum yesterday.
Okay. Number 2.
Number 2. Adam was at the theater 2 hours ago. Adam was at the theater 2 hours ago.
All right.
Number 3. Miss Wu was at the restaurant an hour ago. Miss Wu was at the restaurant an hour ago.
Okay.
Number 4. The police officer was at the train station 30 minutes ago. The police officer was at the train station 30 minutes ago.
Alright, so part A is finished. If you don't know, if you forget what you have heard, then you can go back. Then you can re-listen, okay? You can listen it again. 你就可以再听一次这个内容 ，alright？ 好，老师这一个页面已经给你们看了哈，所以没有带习作回家的同学，你们可以直接从这个上面看得到。如果你的听力刚刚的题目没有听清楚，你可以倒回去听。Alright? So this one, page 19. And next one, part B. If you don't have any questions, we're going to do it. I'll do like this. 老师会放这样子，因为右边的页面有我的脸嘛，所以我怕会挡住哦。这样子 ，OK? So ready? Let me see. Okay, just notice you guys this one. Now it's April 28, 11 o'clock in the morning, alright? So later, what do you need to do? You should know, right? Okay.
B. Listen and mark O or X. Number 1. Where was Annie 2 hours ago?
She was at the restaurant with her friends 2 hours ago.
Where was Annie 2 hours ago?
She was at the restaurant with her friends 2 hours ago. Number 2. Was Adam at the train station an hour ago?
Yes, he was. He was at the train station an hour ago. He's in Taipei now.
Was Adam at the train station an hour ago?
Yes, he was. He was at the train station an hour ago. He's in Taipei now. Number 3. Was Ted at the museum yesterday?
No, he wasn't.
Where was he yesterday?
He was at the library with me.
Was Ted at the museum yesterday?
No, he wasn't.
Where was he yesterday?
He was at the library with me. Number 4. Where was Fred 30 minutes ago?
He was at the airport.
Is he coming back today?
I don't know.
Where was Fred 30 minutes ago?
He was at the airport.
Is he coming back today?
I don't know.
Alright, so that is part B. If you want, then you can go back and listen it again, okay? And then if you don't have any questions, now part C. Okay, part C. Listen and write. Listen and write. There are 4 questions too. So after you listen it, you should choose one item and then fill in the blank. Okay, 请你把听到的发音字组填写在这里，不是圈起来而已哦。Alright, ready? So like this one, sorry, 老师刚刚忘记讲了。Like this one, if you want, you can also write like this. Part C. 我们来看一下 Part C. 刚刚一样啊 Number 1, Number 2, Number 3, and Number 4. Right? You have 4 questions. So, for example, if the first one, let's listen.
Number 1. Stay. Stay.
Stay. Stay. What is stay? Like I just told you, stay is like stay at home. 请留在家里，不要跑出去嘛。所以是哪个字呢？ Sorry. Okay. Stay, right? So if you want, you can just write down stay or st. Then you know. 如果你没有带习作回家的同学，你就这样子写在纸上，你就知道这一题答案是什么。那你来学校你就不用再听，你就直接写上去就可以了。Alright? Okay, so keep going. I'm going to play all of it, okay?
C. Listen and write.
Number 1. Stay. Stay.
Number 2. Spoke. Spoke.
Number 3. Swing. Swing.
Number 4. Skate. Skate.
Alright, it's short. I will play it again. Okay? 很短，所以我直接再放一次吧。
C. Listen and write.
Number 1. Stay. Stay.
Number 2. Spoke. Spoke.
Number 3. Swing. Swing.
Number 4. Skate. Skate.
Alright, so that is U.4 Listening Practice, okay? 这是第4课的听力练习。Then, if you are finished, let's turn to page 21 and 22. This is your homework, like I just said, okay? This one, homework 3. Workbook, page 21 to page 22. And this one, HW3, it means homework, okay? So this is 第3项的作业, alright? If you don't know the first one and the second one, I will show you now. The first one, workbook, page 49 to 50, this one. And then homework 2. Listen to the CD to 28 to 31. Oh, I'm sorry, this one. 老师上次忘了打 S. Okay. And then this one, okay? Page 21 to 22. It's your homework today. So, alright. Let's go back to here. Okay, first, look at this. Read and write, part D, alright? So the same, if you don't have your workbook, then you can write these questions, you can fill in the blank, write down the answer on a paper or a notebook, and you need to rewrite after you go back to school, okay? So like this, it's now April 30. and it's 3 o'clock in the afternoon. Okay, and this one, where blah blah blah, and 2 days ago. Everybody, this one you should tell me, right? Where? The answer is was, because it's 2 days ago. 是过去式，对不对？ In the past, so we use was. And the answer will be she was at the, everybody look at this. What's this? Is it a school? I don't think it's a school. If it's a school, it should be a very cool school, right? 这如果是学校，应该是一个很酷的学校，老师都想去了。这个是一个什么呢？ She was at the museum. Okay? So that is the first question. 这老师只有示范第一题哦，接下来请你都自己写了。Number 2. Where was Fred 2 hours ago? Okay, and you need to answer it. And the picture is here. Alright? In case that you don't have workbook, I will show you everything. 为了以防万一有人是没有带习作回家，没关系老师题目这里都会给你看，你就边暂停边写就可以了。Number 3. Alright, this. And you need to remember to do it. Number 4. Was Ruby at the supermarket an hour ago? And the picture is here. Alright? Picture is here. Oh no, I forgot. 老师忘记了，有可能我的头会挡到。再给你们看一次每一题这是 number 1. Okay? Number 1. Oh, number 1, sorry. Here, number 1. Then number 2. Okay? If you want, you can press pause. 你可以按下那个暂停的钮，没有问题。Number 3. Okay, number 4. Alright? So if you don't have any questions, now this one. Read and choose. The same, I will put it here. 老师会把这放在这边那等一下各位可以看一下。Fred is a superstar now. Many people like his songs. He meets his fans around the world. He is so busy. Yesterday, Fred and I were in France. We were in Italy 2 days ago. 3 days ago, we were in Thailand. We are at the airport. We are going back home today. We want to give Prince Bruce a big surprise. Alright? 这个就是这一篇阅读测验 reading 的内容。And then here, there are 3 questions. Alright, here meet 会面刚刚忘记讲了。Around the world 是世界各国。So now look at the question. Number 1, where is Fred now? Number 2, where was Fred? Number 3, which is true? Okay, finish it by yourself. 请你自己写完。OK, 这几个题目你如果一样没带习作回家的同学，记得暂停自己看。And here also, 这个也是Okay, so if you don't have any questions, I think this video will just stop here. 我们这一个影片应该这一步只会到这里不然有点太长了。你们可以先做这件事情 ，OK？ And today maybe I will upload another video 今天可能会再传另外一部，有可能那当然，各位同学，那个我们上传的时间不一定，所以你们可以就是像老师说的，照编号来看。那看完记得每一件事都要做到。If you have homework, you can email to me, OK? 如果你有作业的同学，就是像习作这种书写作业，你写完你可以先拍照 ，take a photo and send it to me， 把这个 email 传给老师，老师会确认你有写了，很好。那 其他的就是更改啊，要批改，老师要改这些作业，就要等到你们回到学校了。Okay? So, this one is your homework. Okay. Then, after this video, you should also leave a comment. 你应该要做的事就是一样，要留言签到。你有任何问题、意见跟任何想说的话，都可以告诉老师。想说的你可以留言，如果是你不想跟大家说的，只想跟老师说，你可以写 email。Alright? That's it. 你的签到跟你的问题都可以放在同一个留言哦。还有你的作业如果做完了，你要告诉我也一样，你就放一个留言就可以了。你不要签到一个，然后又突然再放一个你的问题，这样子会太多哦。大家留言很多，老师没办法一次看完。你如果统一一起给老师就会看得到。然后有人要透过 email 来签到的哦，像 Darren 哦，还有几个同学，还有的爸爸妈妈不想留言，你要直接寄 email 给老师也 OK 的。那这个 email 里面签到也是一样，签到你的想法、你的建议跟你想要问老师的问题都可以告诉老师。Alright, so see you at the next video. Bye bye. Okay.